Alright, welcome back to the channel everybody. My name is Steven Aldaco and today we are headed over to VanSpeed in Westminster and they're having kind of like a vans and coffee meetup. So in today's video, we're going to check out some super sweet Sprinter vans and hopefully give you some inspiration for your next build. Let's get into it. This is my favorite design so far that I've seen. This one's built by VanSpeed, and let's take a look and see at some of the details that this van has. So, I got a microwave, which is awesome to cook food real quick. I love the light design underneath the cabinets. It's just beautiful. We've got the sink underneath here. Oh wow, that is beautiful. You can still use this as like a cutting board space. We have the induction stove top here. It's extremely slim. It's like super streamlined. It's almost flat. We got all sorts of drawers. Oh, these are hard to pull out, which is a good thing, I guess, if you were living the van life. Oh, little toilet in there. Definitely need that. Looks like they have the heater, and this part is just awesome. This like little desk area. The bed is really nice and cushioned and soft. But this is my favorite part. This little table, you can eat, have dinner, you can work. Little pull-out shelf here. This is a giant desk. Wow. And this wood is like super strong. Really nice. Just the design up here is so nice too. I love it. And that same design can be actually converted into a full bed here. So this is what it looks like when the bed is stored away. And in the back of the van, it just is absolutely beautiful, and there's plenty of storage cabinet space. Side panel doors, the wood is absolutely beautiful, and there's plenty of storage in the doors as well. The middle cabinet has plenty of storage for whatever, skis, snowboards. The only thing I don't like about this design is that it does not fit a bike inside of the van, but the next model we look at will have that option. And these cabinets are actually a lot deeper than they look inside of this video. There looks like there was tons of space. And on the left-hand side, we have our outdoor shower setup, so that's really cool too. The design and the build quality by VanSpeed is absolutely incredible. I could just totally imagine myself with this desk and like doing some editing and all the traveling that you can do. I mean, wow, I feel like so pumped up and jazzed just being in these vans. Let me know down in the comments which of these vans is your favorite. I think this one's mine. Another van, and I'm gonna give you like a little run around this one. It's really cool. It's got like a raise up bed, so let's check it out. All right, so this is very similar to the other one. This bed will like rise up and down, and if it's risen up all the way, you have this like little nice seating area. And looks like here, this is like slide out tray for for bikes, so you can store your bikes under here, which is absolutely perfect. It has the induction stove and the same fridge that was in the other one. Oh, there's food in there. It looks like it has some extra seating here. Microwave, very essential. Cabinets. And I love the idea of having your sink here because you can turn it around and then this will become kind of like a shower area, which is great. And then for cooking, you have this little collapsible shelf. So then you can raise that up and then boom, you have an extra little table where you can cook and do whatever you want. So this design is really nice. I think it's almost perfect. It feels a little cramped compared to the other one, but beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This guy has some really clever storage in the back of his Sprinter. Check it out. Bags, bike mounts, and I think that's like a stove almost. Beautiful. This Evergreen model by VanSpeed is the largest one that I've seen. It's built on the Sprinter 170. Absolutely beautiful, plenty of space for friends and cooking. One of my favorite builds, just a little too big for my taste. Looks like it has like a fold down bed, which is pretty cool. Easy access to all of your... You got extra seating here, which is super great, and I love that little desk. Do some work back there or for your kids or whatever. So here's a blank canvas, and just imagine all the possibilities you can have in here. Wow. Wow. I am super jazzed up after checking out all those Sprinter vans. If you enjoyed the builds, make sure you show VanSpeed some love. They have a YouTube channel which you can check out, so I'll leave a link down below in the description for them. So if you want to check out their vans, or if you want to talk to them about your own build, you definitely can. I can't wait for one day to get a Sprinter myself. So thank you guys once again for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.